Ready to vibe? Let's dive into today's track. This new dancehall track, Black Hawk by Dava Bratt, is fire. Let's break it down. We're talking about Black Hawk, a high energy dancehall single from the talented Dava Bratt that's taking the scene by storm. The lyrics of Black Hawk deliver a powerful message with lines like, "We got girls and guns and got funds," showcasing the blend of street life and resilience. Dava Bratt's smooth vocals ride over infectious beats, featuring dynamic flows and catchy hooks that make you want to move. The production is top notch, combining traditional dancehall sounds with modern production techniques to create a vibrant and immersive track. What really stood out to me is Dava Bratt's ability to convey intense emotions through lyrics such as, "I'm a pending millionaire fee upgrade to a billionaire." The song captures the essence of ambition and the hustle, making it both relatable and inspiring. The energy he brings keeps the momentum high from start to finish, making Black Hawk a standout track in the dancehall genre. I'm giving Black Hawk a solid 5.5 out of 5 stars. It's a must listen for dancehall enthusiasts and anyone looking for a track that combines meaningful lyrics with unbeatable rhythms. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick takes.